Today the lucky car is the Camry. I'm going to work on a 2010 Toyota Camry SE. I'm going to show you guys how to get to the timing chain and let's get to it. Oh yeah, and it makes like a kind of noise, like a kind of, I don't know how, it's kind of like that. That kind of noise when you try and start it. I thought that'd be useful information if it ends up not being the problem, the timing chain. First you want to pry it from the back and then the front. Like that. And then you want to take out the ignition coils. This is 10 millimeters. I don't know if this really works. By the way, I was using this universal socket. Works well, but not for nuts and bolts that are stuck in. Just pull it out. Oh shit. Damn it. Fuck. Okay. And then you get a 10 millimeter. Basically, you want to get everywhere. The cover is connected to the housing.
criminal. Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I want to do. My soul so cynical. So you're a tough guy, like a really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy. Just always so buff guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, my seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh.
It's easier to get it from this side than from right there. It can be easier. It's like stuck on right there. Take off the nuts that hold the harness in place, and then there's one in the back. Let's see if we can get to it. Right there. After that, you want to disconnect the VVT, sorry, the camshaft timing oil control valves and assembly. And how you do that is loosen the nut so it goes on like this. Oops. So it goes on like that, and right there, and then you just loosen the nut, take it off, and then take the harness off and set it aside. Like that. And then, just to kind of give more room, I disconnected these electrical connectors right here. And then it's the alternator as well. Right there, and then I think that's it. I think there's also a ground wire somewhere that I took off. Yeah, you just want to get this off. Just give yourself more room. And then we want to loosen the camshaft timing oil control valve connectors right here. And then there's one back here. Oops, I'm sorry. I meant right here. These are the camshaft timing oil control valves. Take note of which one is which, because one of them is the intake, one of them is the exhaust.
You're a tough guy, like you're really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always so puff guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make you go from mad type, my seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh.
Alright, so we got the valve cover off, and this is the timing chain. Put a towel over your engine so that dirt and dust doesn't get into the engine. Yeah. As you can see, the timing chain I don't think is quite lined up correctly. So, pretty sure on the right side especially it's supposed to be in like the 1 o'clock position, and on the left side it's supposed to be a little bit more to the right on the 11, like more on the 11 o'clock position. So that'll be another video, and I will post it as soon as I'm finished with it. It actually looks pretty good under the valve cover. And this is the part that I missed. Don't know what I'm going to do yet. If I'm going to try to amend it back on or just get a replacement. I don't know. Yeah, be careful. It was hidden under a bunch of cords slash the wiring harness. So make sure you check.
You're so criminal.